While phones and other devices have gotten better at taking and editing photos, sometimes you still need a PC to get some proper photo editing done. Hello everyone, this is James from 9to5software.com. Here, we'll look at some of the best photo editing software for Windows currently available on the market and also include further options to consider as you can opt for specific expense tracker apps or even customer accounts. Check out the links in the comments to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started. Lume Luminer. Luminer from Lume, example MacFun, is one of the hottest new Windows photo editors for 2020. This was previously an exclusive Apple Mac editor, but MacFun has released a Luminer version for Windows as well, 64-bit platforms only. The image editing software tool has massive discounts for current and new Luminer users, and if you want to get stunning results, you can combine it with Aurora HDR. Lume Luminer is an all-in-one photo editor that packs in color toning, layers, sharpness, black and white processing, contrast, dehaze, luminosity mask, masking, object removal, and layer photo enhancement tools. The real beauty of Luminer lies in its presets that you can apply to outdoor, travel, dramatic, portrait, and other photo categories. For example, you could select the 60s black and white preset to give your photo a retro feel. Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is the industry standard for creative professionals. It can handle extremely complex multi-layer editing and can make all the edits and manipulations you need to make to your images. Additionally, Adobe Photoshop works seamlessly with the Adobe suite of apps, including Lightroom, After Effects, and Premiere Pro. The reason many beginners to photo editing struggle to use Photoshop is because it offers such an enormous amount of tools. We'll talk more later about all the great things you can accomplish with Photoshop, but know that it does attempt to lessen the learning curve offering organized workspaces. Of course, as you get more familiar with Photoshop and decide which editing tool you prefer, you can create and save your own customized workspace. A customized workspace that features only your favorite tools goes a long way to increase your editing speed and streamlining your workflow. So, even though Photoshop can be difficult to master, it's not necessarily difficult to learn. Its pre-made workspaces, in-app tools descriptions, and clear tools icons help make learning the program more manageable. Don't try to dive in all at once. A piece-by-piece approach to Photoshop will likely be a more successful route.